Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets by Chital Shah. Today's pick a card reading is to receive guidance for the week starting 13 July 2020 to 19 July 2020. So, as you all must be knowing, you need to select a pile to receive your guidance. Since this is a general reading, take what resonates and let go of what does not. If you do not resonate with the reading, please feel free to pick a personal booking with me. The link for booking has been mentioned in the description box below. So without any further ado, let me introduce you to the three set of piles that we have for this week's pick a card reading. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Take a deep breath in and select the pile that you are drawn to. Go to the description box below and go to the timestamps to receive your guidance. All those who have selected pile number 1, this is your reading. So the cards we have for you, pile number 1 are Five of Swords, Ace of Cups and Six of Swords. So pile number 1, this week be careful that people do not cheat you. There would be times when you would feel disheartened and you would feel like walking away from what is going around you. But remember that people love you. There is lots of love that is available for you. So you need to know and acknowledge that love and only look at the bright side of the picture. Only look at the loving thoughts and the love that people are sending your way, and stop being disheartened by some people who are trying to cheat you or who are trying to break you down or who are trying to make you feel unsuccessful. This week is not the time to feel disheartened about anyone or anything, and it is time to know that you are loved and experience the love that is there for you. If you feel disheartened or if you feel like walking away from anything, just remember how your parents loved you, how unconditional was their love, and how unconditionally your pets and your children love you. As you feel that love in your heart, things will start improving and you will walk away from the people who are trying to make you feel low, bad, or who are trying to cheat you, and move towards a better place. I hope you are resonated with the reading, pile number 1. Pile number 2, let's begin with your reading. So pile number 2, the cards we have for this week are Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Wow, pile number 2. Money is flowing this week, and so is love. Two of Cups. So pile number 2, this week expect money as well as love coming in your life. This week is going to be a week of opportunities, a week of truth, a week where you will know who is coming your way, who has what intentions for you. This week some important piece of information is coming for you, pile number 2. I feel that most of the people who have selected pile number 2, there would be some wonderful business opportunities, work opportunities coming your way. If some of you would have invested in shares, expect wonderful results coming your way. Expect your share prices to rise. For people who are wondering if someone loves you or waiting for a relationship reply, know that the truth will be revealed and it would be in your favor. Some of the people who have selected pile number 2 and who are single or who are looking to take the relationship to the next level, expect a new proposal coming your way for singles. And for people who are looking into a positive reply, know that for people who are looking to take the relationship forward, I feel for majority their partner will come forward and ask them to take the relationship to the next level. For couples who are trying to conceive, and for people who are trying to take the business to a new place, expect wonderful opportunities and expect success this week. For people who are trying to start a new business venture, this week is going to be a wonderful time for you to start a new business venture. And also I feel for some of you there is some important information that is going to come your way, which has been hiding, like the figurine over here who has been hiding below the chair. That information is going to be revealed itself to you. And I feel the information is not bad or something, but it is something that has been hidden for so long, and this information is going to bring you work opportunities. Also, for some of you, I am receiving a guidance that there is a lover who is going to come to you, who has been stalking you over social media accounts, or who has been following you for long. That person will come forward and express his love for you, if you had been wondering whether that person likes you or not. Also, this week is going to be wonderful both in terms of love as well as finances. Pile number 2, there would be some events or some days where you would feel a little annoyed, but angels are asking you to remember who you are, remember your truth, remember your higher power, and have peace and love, so that things would start getting better for you. Pile number 2. Thank you. So all those who have selected pile number 3, without any further ado, let's begin with your reading for this week. So the cards we have for people who have selected pile number 3 are Wheel of Fortune, King of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. Wow, pile number 3. So this week, pile number 3 expects some events to unfold which you had been waiting for long. If there has been areas of your life where you feel stuck, definitely in terms of money and in terms of relationship, which shows from the emotions which comes from the cups over here, there is going to be huge shifts happening this week, provided you are ready for the shift. In this week, expect things to unfold and move towards better place. For singles, I see a man who is quite wise and who has established a place for themselves in the society. A proposal from such a male member is going to come to you if you are a female. If you are a male, expect that things are going to turn out better for you, and you will receive the name and recognition. Pile number 3. In terms of work, I feel there will be juggling between assignments and juggling between work and maintaining your calmness. So make sure to have proper dedicated time for your work and for your home. Also for pile number 3, I see that things are going to get better and better, and there would be more opportunities for work coming in, more success coming in, more recognition coming in. Angels are asking you that if you take appointments, make sure that you follow your appointments, you follow your leads, and you have dedicated time for those appointments, and don't go overboard with your appointment. This week also expect to feel happy and satisfied with the place where you are in. Pile number 3. Also, this week is going to be a week of change, so there might be some instances that you will feel tired and disappointed. So at those times, the angels are asking you to be in touch with your emotions, and know that things are going to be taken care of. So there is no need to worry, and things are getting better and better for you. Pile number 3. Thank you.